So this is me collecting my delivery from Collab Cards. This year it's about improving performance, mastering productivity and getting motivated. So it's official, I've got a pack of ideating cards. So there's 100 ways that you can use these cards, but I plan to use my cards to monitor my growth. I was thinking maybe I could use them for writing daily affirmations and, really kind of doing that internal work on myself. Ooh, look at this, it's a pen. I am a sucker for pens. Guys, I do have sensory needs, and you know what? These cards are doing it for me. I wish you could put your hand through the screen and touch these cards. They are so silky and so smooth. They are literally giving me energy. I really love the fact that having these cards in one safe space makes you accountable for your growth. Listen guys, if you're serious about learning and development in 2024, then you really need to check out these ideating cards. They're out now on Amazon. Check out the link below.